Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify the integrity of your game files. It's actually a very easy thing to do, so bear with me until the very end. Step number 1. Once we are in Steam, click on the library. In order to view the games that you have, you can find the library in the top left corner of your Steam application once you get in the menu screen. Step number 2. Pick the game from the list that you have, whose game files you want to verify. In my case, that is going to be Counter-Strike, or else known as CSGO, and I'm just going to right click on it and select Properties. Step number 3. Once the window shows up, navigate to the local files panel, that is sort of like a thing that you have on the left side, and click on the button Verify the integrity of the game files. Sometimes it takes from like 5 to 10 minutes to completely verify, and basically after that it may say that some files are corrupt and need to be replaced, yada yada yada. Usually that is done automatically anyways. As you run the game, it will sort of pre-update prior to running the game, or sometimes in rare cases it will require you to restart the Steam completely, but that's about it, so you have nothing to worry about. Also note that not every game has this option. In fact, I think it's actually quite rare, and only the majority of the Steam developed games such as Dota 2, Counter-Strike and so on have this option. If you believe that I haven't answered your question like in completely or in part, please leave the comment, and I do usually reply within a couple of hours, maybe 4 to 6 hours. And yeah, that's basically it. Without further ado, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.